What if I told you that most of the battles draining your energy every day aren't happening in your life, but inside your mind? One moment, you're steady. Everything feels in control. The next, you spiral into doubt, fear, or self-criticism. Maybe you replay mistakes or imagine failure before even trying. Your mind starts questioning your worth, especially when you need strength the most. But here's the truth. It's not because you're weak. It's because your mind hasn't been trained yet to face these challenges head on. What if you could change all of this? What if your mental strength was so solid that no negativity could shake you? What if, no matter what life throws at you, you could stay unshaken? 1. Master your emotions. Let's start with something simple. How many times have you reacted impulsively, letting anger, sadness, or frustration take control? Toxic people thrive on your emotional reactions. When you get upset, they feel empowered. But when you stay calm, unbothered, that's when you regain control. Think back to the last time someone tried to provoke you. How would it feel if you responded with complete calm instead? Picture it. That's how you take your power back. 2. Be unpredictable. People are creatures of habit. When they know what you'll do next, they can manipulate you. So here's the trick. Be unpredictable. Keep them guessing. When you move in silence and keep them unsure of your next step, you stay in control. Think about the people around you who always try to predict your next move. How would they feel if you suddenly changed the game on them? Imagine how off balance they'd feel. That's how you protect your peace. 3. Detach from validation. We all crave validation, but here's the secret. When you stop needing approval from others, you become untouchable. Your strength comes from within, not from external praise. When you find your confidence inside yourself, nothing can shake it. Think back to a time when you needed someone's approval to feel good about yourself. Imagine how liberating it would be if their opinion no longer controlled your peace. What would that change in your life? 4. Build emotional distance. Not everyone deserves a place in your emotional world. The more you share, the more vulnerable you become. Build emotional distance, not to be cold, but to protect your peace. When you do, nothing can hurt you. Have you ever shared too much and felt exposed? Start building those emotional boundaries today. You'll feel stronger, more grounded. 5. Respond with silence, not defense. When someone talks badly about you or lies about you, your instinct may be to defend yourself, but the real power lies in silence. Silence is strength. It forces others to face their own insecurity while you maintain your peace. Think about the last time someone tried to provoke you. Instead of reacting, try silence next time. You'll be amazed at how much power silence gives you. 6. Stay rooted in purpose. When you're rooted in purpose, nothing can distract you. People who lack direction are swayed by others' opinions. But when you know where you're headed, no criticism or distraction can change your course. Think about your biggest goal right now. How would it feel if nothing could pull you off track? When you're rooted in purpose, you have the strength to ignore all distractions. 7. Forgive, but never forget. Forgiveness doesn't mean trusting the person who hurt you. Forgiveness is about releasing resentment. But here's the key. While you forgive, you never forget the lesson. The lesson is your protection. Have you ever forgiven someone but still remembered the lesson they taught you? Keep those lessons close. It's how you protect yourself from being hurt again. When you master your emotions, become unpredictable, detach from validation, build emotional distance, respond with silence, stay rooted in purpose, and forgive but never forget, you become unbreakable. Your peace becomes your strength, and no one, nothing, can touch you. Drop a comment below saying, "My peace is my power. My silence is my revenge. I am too strong to be broken." If you found value in this video, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more content to help you become the strongest version of yourself. See you in the next video.